So you may be asking about the oddball EAS numbers in the title. Well, when I was creating a little spreadsheet of all my EAS catches, I discovered I may have skipped a few trying to keep count in my videos. Which is also why in some of my previous videos I apparently already hit EAS 2000, but it just turns out I just skipped 300 ahead because my 4am brain mistook a 6 for a 9. Funny. But no worries, because I can fix it.
The greatest chance of a freeze each morning will be along and near the Interstate 40 corridor across the North Carolina foothills and Piedmont. This is the National Weather Service Office in Greenville, Spartanburg. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL 70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards on alert test. Now here is the hazardous weather.
Well, you're testing a bit early for this time. Yeah. I thought you were supposed to go at 11:15.
The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station KKY85, broadcasting from Ardell County Emergency Communications.